Hi and greeting to all of you. Welcome to this course on Introduction to Iron Making. My name is Govind S. Gupta, Professor in Department of Materials Engineering at Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. We would be talking about this Introduction to Iron Making. As you know, iron and steel is the integral part of our life, and we must know about it. So, the aim of this course is to provide a good foundation in iron making with a focus on critical reasoning and to develop a deeper understanding of core metallurgical materials and chemical concepts. I hope after completing this course, you should be able to apply the knowledge gained in this subject to many other similar complex engineering reactors like flash smelting, lead blast furnace, etc. So, this subject introduction to iron making will also provide you with the relevant knowledge that is necessary to pursue the higher level of study. Before going to the content of this course, I would like to tell you if there is some problem in understanding the pronunciation. So, if you go through this audio visual couple of times, you would be able to understand properly. So, the content of this course would be introduction to iron making, and then we would be dealing about the raw material coal, iron ore and flux, and how do they are prepared and their property, and because lots of fines are generated. So, we would be dealing with the agglomeration, where we would be talking about the pelletization, induration and sintering. And blast furnace, there are many transport processes which occur into it. So, we would be dealing with them like temperature and Warden distribution, aerodynamics of blast furnace, physical and chemical phenomena which are occurring in the upper and lower part of the blast furnace. It would be followed by the productivity of the blast furnace, and then the irregularity, blowing in and blowing out operation of the blast furnace, and environmental issues related to blast furnace and other processes which are associated with it, we will discuss. And finally, a brief description of alternative route of iron making would be given. So, the references for this course are these, mainly these 4 books: A.K. Biswas, Modern Blast Furnace, R.S. Tupkari, Eghos, but most of the material I would be taking from other books and research papers, which the references of which I would be providing at the end of this course. But mostly these 4 books would be sufficient, but keep on going through this course, so you will get more information about it. And finally, I look forward to interact with you in this course. In terms of about assignment and exams, so that would be mostly online. So, after each course I would be giving the assignment which you might have to solve, and finally, I would be taking 1 exams on this, and that would be it would be also 20 hours course. So, you should be prepared for that. So, I again welcome you in this course and looking forward to interact with you. Thank you.